Every year there's the NCAA basketball tournament. You familiar with that?
Yes, I'm familiar with the NCAA basketball tournament, often referred to as March Madness. It's a highly popular and competitive college basketball tournament held every spring in the United States. What would you like to discuss about it?
Well, what I want you to do is come up with several jokes that are similar to this one, which is not even really a joke. But I was just imagining that it would be funny if there was three or four colleges that met in the Final Four that you'd never heard about before. For example, my prediction last year was Heald Business College and the Barbizon School of Modeling in the finals.
That's a funny concept. Here are a few similar jokes imagining unlikely colleges in the Final Four. One, this year, I've got the Clown College of America going head to head with the School of Wizardry and Magic in the finals. Two, my bracket's all in on the Culinary Institute versus the International Mime Academy for the championship game. Three, I'm predicting the finals will be between the Underwater Basket Weaving University and the Academy of Yo-Yo Arts. Four, I've got the Institute of Advanced Origami facing off against the College of Extreme Knitting in the Final Four. These matchups would definitely make for an amusing and unexpected tournament.
Well, for some reason, I liked the Culinary Institute one because it sounded like something that could actually that's a real school. So could you make one more prediction based on an actual college or university?
Sure thing. Here's one. I'm predicting the finals will feature the Culinary Institute of America against the Fashion Institute of Technology. It's going to be a showdown of food versus fashion. How does that one sound?
That's pretty good. You're starting to win me over, which is kind of spooky.
I'm glad to hear that, Lee. This has been a lot of fun.